Throwing employees into their jobs without proper preparation is a surefire way to diminish confidence and instantly create a reason for them to want to leave. In this video, we are going to look at the various training methods used in the food service industry and the best ones to use to reduce turnover. There are 6 different training methods, 2 are on-the-job methods, and 4 are off-the-job methods. Let's take a closer look. The first on-the-job method is called job rotation. With job rotation, the new employee works within each position in their department to better understand how the entire department operates. For example, a new employee who is being trained will work several shifts as a cook, as a hostess, and as a server, and then return to his true job. This form of training is normally used in a managerial position.
The second on-the-job method is called Understudy Assignment. This is where a new employee will shadow a veteran employee to learn the ins and outs of the job. Shadowing involves following said veteran employee around while he performs his work to see how it is done.
We move now to off-the-job methods. The first is classroom lectures. This method is essentially college for new hires. Trainees will, for example, have 2 hours of classroom training in a lecture-type setting, learning about their job.
The next method is video training. Here, a pre-recorded standard training video is presented to employees which contains content like the company's mission and the various job duties of new hires. This is often done immediately after hire on the first day of work. Then there are simulation exercises. These exercises simulate possible scenarios that allow the trainee to explore options and make decisions in an environment where mistakes can safely be made. The last method is online training. Typically, this kind of training is a full package deal and makes up the bulk of the training. There might be simulation exercises, quizzes, video clips, as well as reading excerpts, and more. It is more comprehensive than simply using video training or simulation alone.
With all of these different training methods available, it's hard to argue that there are only 1 or 2 correct ways. However, through interviews with managers of food service establishments, we have concluded that there are certain methods that would best address the training needs in this industry. From these interviews, it is clear that a combination of both on-the-job and off-the-job training methods should be used. In an industry that represents customer service at its core, being able to experience situations and how they should be handled is crucial.
This is why using understudy assignments is advisable. Using tools like training videos and classroom lectures is helpful as an introduction, but the unscripted experiences gained by shadowing an experienced employee is invaluable and most like what the employee will experience himself. However, as the saying goes, practice makes perfect. Simulation exercises are less stressful for a brand new employee, but allow them to experience situations without the repercussions of making a mistake on the job.
When you do a job right, you gain confidence.
In a work environment, proper training is the avenue that leads to smarter decisions on the job and employee empowerment.
While it is not the only factor contributing to employee turnover, preparing employees on the outset will reduce the likelihood of them leaving out of frustration with their job and responsibilities.
That's all about training and turnover in the food service industry.
Thanks for watching!